Mbombo is on a drive to increase vaccinations in the Garden Route region. Although close to 100,000 vaccinations have taken place so far, there's still a low number of registrations in certain areas.
But in our areas, it's about where they are uninformed. So because anyway they are in the periphery, in the remote areas where it might be they only see or the health service only comes once a month. So therefore it needs someone to be able to convince them, which is we are able to do so. In some areas there are poor registrations because they don't have access to the devices or to the network.
In conjunction with the Department of Transport, the Red Dot Taxi is still transporting people to vaccination facilities. This is another way of encouraging people to take the jab.
Previously, or during the first wave, they were picking up staff as well at the time that we were on lockdown level 5. We also use the Red Dot Taxi also to take patients to the quarantine and isolation sites.
A previous hotspot, the region's COVID-19 figures is rising with nearly 6,000 active cases.
Biggest areas of concern currently is George first and foremost, thereafter Muscle Bay and then Hisaqua. Our hospitals have capacity at the moment, so we are able to manage. We've created additional beds, we've had additional oxygen supplies fitted, we've also had additional staff appointed. However, the issue for us is we are bordering on the capacity limit. What has happened over the past weekend with the lifting of the alcohol ban has also significantly impacted our bed capacity.
Mbombo will also take a campaign to Mossel Bay and Kanaland to encourage registrations and vaccinations. Segui Chetty, SABC News, Plettenberg Bay in the Garden Route.